Watch this auto body shop video for Waco Texas Hewitt service. Complete auto body quotes if it's been in an accident. Obtaining your auto dealt with is a smart way to maintain your vehicle going, especially. It can really conserve you cash and time. However, knowing where to take your vehicle for fixings is a hard option. You want to see to it that you are obtaining quality fixing at a practical cost. When choosing a vehicle body fixing store, there are lots of points to search for. If your vehicle requires fixing, learn how to choose the very best vehicle fixing store for your vehicle. You need to begin looking by asking around or going down right into local vehicle body service center. Figure out what kind of job they do, how much time it will certainly require to finish the fixings, just how much it will certainly cost you, and the kind of procedure they use to deal with vehicles, and anything else you might think is necessary. Below are a couple of even more points to seek. When you are wanting to obtain your auto repaired, you need to take the time to pick a great vehicle body fixing company. Seek a store that gives a wide variety of services. In this way, each of your vehicle body needs can be fulfilled at the same location and cared for by the same certified professional. This is not a single indication, but if the store has actually been around for some time, it is most likely that they are relied on and need to do a good job on your vehicle. Do not select a store that has several bad reviews. If you were to have any issues down the roadway, you desire to be certain that they will certainly be around to promote any warranty or guarantee that they are most likely assures you. See to it that you approve of the quality of job that the vehicle body store produces. You want to obtain the fixing done the right way the very first time. It is completely appropriate to ask the store to see circumstances of the job they have actually previously done. This will certainly give you the greatest idea of what to anticipate. Although that quality is amongst one of the most significant points you are seeking, you will certainly want to obtain a good price as well. Do not simply choose the first store. Browse about and contrast all aspects of their solution. After that, pick the one you really feel suits you and your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.